everybody, Dee here. This is my latest journal, and I've called her Nature and Masterboard Junk Journal. So she's got this gorgeous, it's embroidered, and it's got all these teeny tiny little sparkly bits in it. That's the fastening, and she's Coptic stitched. Right. Here we jolly well go. It's going to be more of a flip through rather than me going through every single thing, because it's fairly obvious what's in it. So, 2 in there. This is dried, it's like grasses, I call them grasses. Get it back in now. There we go. Come on. Well, that is. Oops. You know I'm going to have to put something on that now. It's very silly of me. Done. Doing that one. That's a little envelope. Spare secret pocket. I'm afraid my nerves are getting worse and worse. I can't tell when that's supposed to open or not. I'll have another look later. And in here we've got, this is a little pocket I made. So we've got 3 in that. Oops. One in there. Oh, come on. More grass. It's not really grass, but that's what I call them. It's like dried hops and things. This is another little pocket. Somebody sent me that, so thank you. Another envelope. Another one, secret pocket. There's stuff in this one. That's all that way. These are beautiful. I've a few of them, but I've almost run out now. These are my own masterboards that I made and then cut up to put in here. So that's my latest journal. I hope you've enjoyed this flip through. She is massive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 signatures, and there's 120 sides altogether. And these are not thin. These are like a thin cardboard. Right, thin card, sorry. Right, so that's it. I hope you're all very well. Be safe. Be kind to one another. And as always, love and hugs from me. Bye for now. Bye.